Since the 14th century, legends about a hollow earth were abound and thrived. However, most of those beliefs are mythological in origin. It wasn't until the 17th century that a scientist by the name of Edmund Halley proposed a new theory called the hollow earth theory. According to his hollow earth theory, the possible causes to Earth's magnetic field fluctuations is because there was another magnetic field around it. This would then cause the opposing gravitational pulls. The famous astronomer then revised a new model for Earth. In his proposed theory, there were 4 inner spheres with each inside of the other. Halley also propelled the theory with each of the spheres being lit up by luminous gas, that he claimed the northern lights was evidence for the gas. Halley also theorized that each of the spheres could have been inhabited by different life forms. However, he had no evidence to support if the spheres were even inhabitable. Agartha and Admiral Byrd. While there were many explorers who attempted to explore the polar regions, there was only one man who had the most success. His name was Admiral Richard Byrd. In 1928 through 1930, he explored the barren lands of Antarctica, and during his first trip there he described in his diary that Antarctica was the land of everlasting mystery. During his expedition, Admiral Byrd had inadvertently found an additional world within Earth. Admiral Byrd's Hollow Earth Diary. Within Byrd's journal, he writes that he entered into Hollow Earth, or Agartha is what the hosts of Inner Earth called it. He recorded the inside temperature at 74 degrees Fahrenheit and had traveled 17 miles overlooking rivers, green vegetation, mountains, lakes, and even animal life. He described the animals as beings of huge size and even comparing them to woolly mammoths. He eventually found a civilization and was greeted by advanced aircraft. The pilots of these aircraft forced his plane to land and they greeted him before taking him to meet the king and queen of Agartha. They told him because he had high morale and a high ethical character, he was allowed to enter the inner world of Agartha. The king and queen of Agartha then told him that they were worried for the surface, as they recently began nuclear testing. Byrd was eventually escorted back to the surface, but before leaving, he noticed the inner world also had an inner sun.